Alright, Jopa, woman ba. We so no rolo le mi me. E yin wo lo now. Na yin money o ko yin Igbanke stand the benefit me. E yin ba Anioma say because a lot of us seems by this time we can marry.
Very good. Onu amane ne ketain le under Edo State. Since 1991, here you are just two political words, meaning just two councillors, and there is no impact a councillor can bring to as big as Igbanke is. When impact we take away, Anioma no. Very good. But I buy Anioma today is not going to be so. I can wear our local government. I can wear our chairman of local government. I can wear our House of Assembly member. I can wear our commissioner. I can wear our representative, both at the state and local government. Igbanke will now be represented at the federal level, not just in Oyo local government anymore. Because in Oyo local government, we don't share any boundary with them. We are not Edo people. LND Edo, Wunda Anioma, and Edo State to the Ndi Kwakbeni, Wika or Wiko, Kilikomini, Ndibo, on the Kabi. Now after calling us Ndibo, Lendika, Oroga Egis Loke, Nai Biomuni, is he achosone? Is he achosone? One man, Igbanke Keku, Kabaya Anioma.
Yes, alright. Some group of persons, Resomale, Igbanke Lekuni, Nyachone, Anioma. The local king went in the old and the woman who came and
very good. I am on the old. I am on the way. I don't know power farm, but you learn them power selfish politicians because of penny kobo welling in Edo State. What do you know who here? I'm a Anioma who can look me market, who can wear development in market. Only hospital in where today were 1960s. Oh, no, see, you were off your brother. Okay, chocolate in Edo State. In Edo State. We chocolate, na Anioma, Igbanke is already developed. Here, chocolate, na Anioma, Igbanke is all into the federal name. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.